Welcome to this Revelation Song piano tutorial with Chords. If you want to learn how to play Revelation Song on piano with that rich worship sound you hear from Bethel, Hillsong, Jesus Culture, or Kari Jobe, you're in the right place. In this Revelation Song piano tutorial, I'll show you how to play the version made popular by Kari Jobe, using simple chords and a worshipful style. Whether you're learning how to play Revelation Song on piano for church or personal worship, this tutorial will help you get there. We're using Live Stage 1, a sound setup designed specifically for worship keyboardists. Let's get started and build the sound you want. I will turn on Royal 3D in the piano section, adjust it lower for warmer tone sound. We'll choose Jasper from the pad section. We'll probably choose Drive from the electric guitar. I'll lower first the volume and the cutoff. We'll use that later. Let's play that progression together. D, A minor, C, G. On your left hand, just play root notes or octaves. On your right hand, just play the chords as they are. No need to complicate it. Let's start playing. D, A minor, C, G, D,
Sing a new song
A minor,
to him who sits on
C,
heaven's mercy seat.
G. Increase the cutoff of the Jasper pads.
Lamb who was slain, holy, holy is he. Holy Lord, sing a new song to him who sits on heaven's mercy seat. Holy, holy, holy is the Lord God Almighty, who was and is to come. With all creation I sing praise to the King of Kings. You are my everything, and I will adore you.
I am still using the main chords, but use your fingers in sync with the rhythm.
Oh Lord, we adore you. Clothed in rainbows of living color, flashes of lightning, rolls of thunder. Blessing and honor, strength and glory and power be to you, the only wise King.
It's time to up the volume and cutoff of the electric guitar drive.
Is the God Almighty, who was and is to come. With all creation I sing praise. You are my everything, and I will adore you.
Again, I use my finger to play the main chords, but you have to sync it with the rhythm. Lower the cutoff of the drive and pads when it's building down.
Filled with wonder, awestruck wonder at the mention of your name.
Turn on Zion in the guitar.
Your name alone, Jesus. breath and living water, such a marvelous
Lower the volume or cut off of Zion.
Holy, holy, holy is the Lord God Almighty, who was and is to come. With all creation I sing praise to the King of Kings. You are my everything, and I will adore you.
Want to explore this sound for your church or personal worship? Just click the link in the description to learn more. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment below what worship song you want us to teach next.